Welcome to Sora, Soaring with Sora. Are you having a hard time visiting the Learning Commons? Well, there's another way to get your hands on a great book, and it's called Sora. You can check out ebooks, which are digital books, and audiobooks. You can read or listen to them on any device where you use the internet. Some new books were just added, including the current Lone Star books and other award-winning books. So how do you use Sora? Well, the easiest way is to start here in My Umble. Scroll down until you come to Sora, or you can type Sora right here. If it asks you for your school, then my school is Umble ISD. If it asks you to click on My Umble ISD District 913, go ahead and click that. That is okay. You can also download Sora as an app on your phone. You can download it from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Click I have a setup code, and the setup code is UmbleTX, all lowercase and all one word. Click on My School is Umble ISD, and you're all set to browse some fantastic books and enjoy soaring with Sora. So let's take a look. I clicked on Sora, and this is what came up. First thing I see are books that have just arrived, and I can click all 39 to see the 39 books that have just been arrived into Sora. I can scroll down and see all the really cool new books that we have here. I can go back to explore. I can look at the most popular books, 310 of those, and look at those. Okay. I can look at my next great read. I can look at new ebook editions, poetry, elementary battle of the books, middle school battle of the books, bluebonnet books, Lone Star books, and down at the bottom are popular subjects. And as you can see, we have many different subjects. Okay. Now there's a variety of things you can do with Sora that really make it fun. First thing I want to do is I want to click search. And you can see recently I searched for a book called Battle Dragons. So I'm going to search for that one again. So you see how it works. All right. So as you can see, it brought up 3 different books. This one says I can borrow it, read a sample, or add to my list. So if I want to add some books to a list that I can read when I finish reading the current book that I have going, then I can add it to a list. If I want to borrow it right now, I can do that. If I want to read a sample to see, I don't know, do I like this book or not, I can do that. So there's some things I can do with Sora to make it fun. Now, over here, these 2 books don't say borrow, they say place a hold. And the reason for that is because they are not currently available. They are all checked out. And if I click this one, if I want to put this one on hold, Skeleton Battle, I can do that. All I gotta do is click it. Now it does say an unknown wait, but if I click this, it'll tell me that I'm 2. That's my place in line, number 2. So I don't have a long wait. There's 2 people are waiting, but I do have a little bit of a wait before I can get that book. And Sora will notify you when the book is available. So I now have that one on hold. If I want to borrow a book, all I got to do is click borrow. Now, it's there, and it automatically opens up to the book. So if I click up here, it's going to make it a little bit bigger for me. And I can click through and start reading the book. And it has an interactive table and contents, which means those are clickable. Now, part 1, what would Dr. Drago do? And now I can start reading on any device. And actually, the neat thing with Sora is if I download it on my phone as an app, then I don't even have to be on the internet. I can read the books from my phone when I download them. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back over here because I want to show you something. I'm going to click on Me. I think this is fun. Now, this is where I can edit my profile. There's a button here that says Edit Profile. And I can go up here and I can type in my nickname and I can change my image. apply my preference, which I've already done. So this is me, Ms. Mustang. Here's my reading stats, showing you where I am right now, my achievements, all the badges I've earned. Okay. I can go to my shelf. Here's the book I'm currently reading right now. If I click that, it takes me right back to where I left off. That's pretty cool. And I'm going to go back. Now here's my shelf. This shows you right here what I have borrowed. It's been loaned to me. The one I have in hold. Currently, I don't have any lists going, but here's my history, showing everything I've used in Sora. So that's pretty cool. That's my shelf. This takes me back to Explore. And I can go back to Explore this way, back to that home page. Or I can go to my home page. And it shows me that I have no assignments. I can continue reading the book I have. Some highlights that I've made on books I've read previously. Some recently defined words. I may have encountered a word I didn't know what it meant. So I clicked on the word and it told me what it meant. Now, you notice that some books have headphones attached to them. And that means those are audiobooks. So if I want books that I can listen to rather than read, then that's what I want to look for. I want to look for the little